Welcome everyone to another episode of T-Shirt Cooking. For today's episode, we are changing the camera perspective a bit, and this time we will be doing a ground beef rice mix. This is going to be a simple recipe. I'm going to show you guys how I do it, the few ingredients, and this is a highly customizable recipe. You can do whatever you want with it. We have 250 grams of ground beef, 2 cups of already cooked white rice. We have some carrots, we have full onion, we have some garlic, salt, pepper, some cooking oil, and soy sauce. Remember, you can do whatever you want with this recipe. First things first, we're going to turn on the heat. We're going to be cooking the beef first with the carrots, since the carrots take long to cook. And then after that, once the beef is fully cooked through, we're going to add in the onions, we're going to add in the garlic, and then eventually we'll add in the rice with the soy sauce. Anyways, you'll see how it is. We'll also be using new technology here in the T-Shirt Cooking kitchen. We have a camera that I wrapped in plastic wrap, so when I put it close to film, all the oil won't spray on it. But by now, you've probably already heard, because this video is only coming out in May, of a new project that I'm starting. If not, well, here it is. There's a new project starting, and this camera will be part of that. Now we'll get straight to the cooking, and you'll be able to see everything as it's occurring. Very simple here. We put some oil, we then put the beef. I broke it up using the spatula, and I put the carrots to cook at the same time as the beef, so the carrots become soft. We then put the onions, we put the garlic. After that, we let it cook for a little bit. At the same time, I noticed I had 2 eggs in the fridge. I decided to put those 2 eggs, scramble them, and then put the rice. I then put regular soy sauce, and then I put dark soy sauce for the color, as you'll see right here, and the color changes. We're now back. Very simple, what you saw in the video. The only thing I changed is I noticed in my fridge I had 2 eggs left, and I said, you know what, let's just throw eggs in here as well. And then something else that I did was when I put the soy sauce, I said, aesthetically, it doesn't look dark enough. Therefore, I went and get the dark soy sauce, and I only put a little bit, as you could see in the end. But dark soy sauce doesn't really have a taste to it. It has maybe a bit of a smell, but it doesn't really have a taste to it. And it's more so for the color, which is why I use dark soy sauce, just to give it the color. Now I put a little bit in a bowl. We'll taste it, and we'll see what we got. Very good, very tasty, lots of flavor. It's a good mix of protein, good mix of carbs. There's some veggies. You could change the proportions as much as you want. If you want to make this more protein, reduce the carbs. Want more carbs, increase the rice. This is just a customizable meal, very simple, few ingredients. The carrots, cooking them at the same time as the meat was a good call, because if you don't cook them enough, then they stay hard. Here, the carrots are still very soft, and the onions cooked perfectly well. The egg as well. It's all a good addition. Remember guys, just keep it simple. Stop making these things complicated. I see it every single day on YouTube. People send me these videos of these YouTubers trying to act super sophisticated in the kitchen to make a very simple meal. Guys, if I could do it, you could do it. Anybody could do it. It's not complex. Remember, more videos to come. By now, it's gonna be summertime. When you see this video, we're at 357 subs right now. Our goal is 1,000, so we hit monetization. Once we hit that, then we're gonna have different goals. Right now, 1,000, and we also need 4,000 watch hours. We're way behind. That comes out to about 11 hours a day. We're at something like 6. You know, these are things we got to play with. It is what it is. We'll start from here. There's a new project coming up as well. You saw the camera. We're going to be integrating that camera on some of our shots, and there's something else that's coming too. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for subbing, liking, commenting. You know what the deal is. You know how it is.